folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. Going to be taking up the Dolphin Jet EDF Trainer, and I got it on a 55 millimeter fan or EDF unit in there. I think it's a 12 bladed fan, and got it set up for 4S. I'm running a 2200 roaring top battery. So like I said, she's a belly lander. This is actually a really great jet for learning how to fly EDFs. I have her set for 100% throws, 100% control surfaces. I have 100% throws with 70% expo. And I'm running an AR620 antennaless receiver in her, I believe, but I know she has no gyro, so it's either that or it's one of my other off-market or off-brand receivers. But anyways, there's no gyro or anything. But she's a very stable bird, though. Great EDF trainer, and great to, for you to learn how to fly the EDFs, and you don't have that instant torque like you have with a lot of your prop planes. And so now with the EDF unit being on top, though, you do have just a touch of, like, as soon as you give her some thrust, when you're taking off, when you hand launch her, she does kind of have just a little bit of downward thrust, but not too bad. It's still enough to where she makes a good trainer. All right, now let's see if we can't land her on the tarmac here. I'm out of the power. Whoa. All right, let's do something to see if I can't get away with. Put her in the grass. That gets a little air under her. See if I can't take her off in the grass there. All right, there we go. That little fan, that 55 millimeter fan, just gives her just enough power. Like I say, she's touchy though, because I've got set for 100% throws. I should probably go on there and put some expo in there, and I mean, I think I got 30% expo. But I definitely don't fly her like a trainer. Try to land her on the, going into the wind now. Oh boy. She's coming in a little hotter than I thought she was. Land her on the grass this time because it doesn't skid up the belly so bad. There we go. Now we got a minute left. That's fun. It's always fun to be able to take something that lands on its belly, and then be able to take off again on its belly like that. Oh boy. Let's see if I can turn her. Yeah. Well, maybe a little bit. Now, so much for keeping the belly off the pavement. Well, you got plenty of power. All right, motor off. But yeah, but the thing about it is, yeah, I got this all black, but I got packing tape on there. I can peel this packing tape off, and that black will come right off with it. So, and that's an easy replacement, an easy fix. Oh shoot, I didn't bring my All right, I had my timer set for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I've got 30 seconds left, so that was a full 3-minute flight. Let's see what kind of juice I have left. I'm running a Roaring Top 4S 2200 4S center. So let's see what we got. We've already turned the motor off, which EDF, you're not going to have to worry about the blades, but still, it's good to have that practice. So let's take our battery out. Battery. Okay. Roaring Top 2200 25C. 44% left. I could have flew for another minute. So not bad. 3-minute flight. Really, that's probably good. Three and a half minutes would have been perfect, really. 3.5 minutes. Could have done 4, but then I probably would have come back at 15 or 20% on the battery, and I like to come back at under 50. So that's actually going to be perfect for me. But I could have put 3.5, you know, get about 35 to 40% left. So not bad, not bad. So there you go, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That is the Dolphin jet that you can get at Value Hobby out of Illinois. I want to say it's it's $55, but that is just the basic kit. That's just the airframe, stickers, control rod linkages and everything. That's all that is. You've got to provide your motor, your ESC, and your servos. And I got 4 metal geared servos for the, you know, for each aileron, one for each aileron and for the elevator and the rudder, and they're inside. The wing just has one bolt that holds it on and has tongue and groove in, and then your servos for your rudder and everything are back there. These black patches here are for me to add lights, those little easy lights to it. That look really good when it's dark. So anyways, there you go. Altogether, I want to say I've got 120 bucks in it, but between I got a 60 amp ESC in there. It's overkill, but I believe in having more ESC than you need, and that always works out well. Just a great little jet. Very, one of my viewers had put a 64 millimeter in it, and he had to add foam and duct tape to fit it in there, and it's just like a rocket. So all right, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.